In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is launch Firefox on your PC or laptop. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see these three lines which says open application menu. What you want to do is give that a click to bring up this menu. Then from here, come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, if you come over to this menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure that you're clicked onto general. And then what you can do is just simply scroll down to the language and appearance section just down here. And as you can see, we've got three different options available. So we've got automatic, which means that websites would adapt their color scheme based on your preferences. We've got the light theme, and to change to and enable dark mode, all you need to do is select that here. And as you can see straight away, that's going to enable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox. So that's how to enable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.